Hello guys.
Asuklea, golage,
Halage.
halage.
Halage means like good evening, like good afternoon. Nilage is good afternoon.
It's a nice sunny day today. Weather's finally
A little
nice.
chilly, a little windy out. We just went outside and yeah, it was good, right? We saw a river. We just drove around and saw a river.
We just found a creek.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a while since we made a video about us learning Korean. So yeah,
Come on this side.
today we are going to I'm going to teach Jason Korean. I'm also going to speak Korean. So yeah, welcome back guys. So it's been a while, so we miss you guys. So how is everybody doing? Everybody's doing good. So wherever you are, I hope you're safe. So what's going on right now across the the states, it's really not safe for any of us. So
Wait till we're done.
I'm gonna teach you, okay? So we're gonna learn about the fruits, okay? Fruits.
The fruits I don't eat.
Okay, pineapple. Pineapple is neta.
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 Neta. Neta.
There you go. It's better. Okay, so mango is Dakota.
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 Dakota. Dakota.
And also we have ripe and unripe. A ripe is called Dakota Ami.
Dakota Ami. Dakota Ami.
And so Dakota Atikachue.
Dakota Achikachue.
Atikachue.
Atikachue.
And also Dorita.
Doreta.
Dorita.
Doreta.
It's durian.
Doreta.
Dorita.
Doreta.
It's
Doreta.
durian. And also jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit
Jackfruit.
is yeah, I meant to say in Korean. It's jackfruit means Banueta.
Bonita.
Banueta.
Banueta. Banueta. Banueta.
Okay, so banana is Toquita.
Duquita.
Can you okay, I want to review it. So what is durian again?
Okay, I'm
Dorita.
Doreta.
What about mango?
Mango.
Dakota.
Dakota.
What about jackfruit?
Jaquita.
Jackfruit is the Banueta.
Banueta.
What about banana?
Takulati banana. Taquita.
Taquita mean is the right. So Taquita the miba.
Taquita daniba.
Taquita the miba.
Taquita daniba.
The miba. The miba.
Demiba. De.
Mi
Mi.
ba.
Ba. A demiba.
Okay, now we're gonna go to vegetables.
Vegetables.
Vegetables, beef sprouts is baby ba.
Baby ba.
Baby ba.
Baby ba.
It's more like a piece of
Be. Be.
be
Be.
ba.
Ba.
Okay, so what else? Seaweed. Seaweed. What kind of vegetables I eat?
Pea.
Gazoyue.
Kazoyue.
It's a morning glory.
Oh, never heard of that one.
Morning
New for
glory.
me.
Gazoyue. But that's in Burmese. I don't know how to say in Korean. So, and what else?
Corn.
Bucheta.
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 What? Look at the camera.
Bucheta.
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 What else?
Salt.
Ita.
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 Ita. Like eat that, but ita.
Chomo.
Chomo.
Chomo is like Ajinomoto.
Ajinomoto.
Ajinomoto. That's like
Ajinomoto.
the white thing. It looks like a sugar, but you might confuse it with the sugar. But it's Ajinomoto. So it's called chomo.
Chomo.
You put it in a soup or curry, like a seasoning. The yaw.
Juya.
The yaw.
Duya.
The yaw
Duya.
is the it's a turmeric. Turmeric, either like root or powder. Yeah, they are really good. So you put it in a to make a color, you know, when you make a curry, or you eat it like that, like a root. So, and the bati.
The bati.
The bati.
The bati. Like the body, but the bati. The bati.
Gikoda.
The bati.
Gikoda.
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 Gikoda, the vegetables that are grows like in a jungle. You remember those two guys that
Gikuba.
gave it to me when we were at the walking place? Gikoda. Yeah.
Gikuda.
They're kind of like curl, you know, like, you know, like that. And what else? The netha
Denetha.
is stick beans.
Oh, denetha. Oh, it's the absolute worst thing ever. If you eat denetha, your breath stinks. You every time you use the bathroom, it stinks. Your sweat stinks. You smell for a whole week after you eat it. That's when I stay away from Paul, far away as possible, and then I have to stay away from the bathroom the whole week too. No denetha. Don't eat denetha. Stop growing it. Throw it in the
But
garbage.
they grow in the jungle.
Okay, well, everyone that has denetha, throw it away.
The
Don't buy no more.
hochida. The hochida.
The hoshita.
The hochida.
The hoshida.
The hochida.
The hochida. The hoshida. The hojida.
It's those kind of fruits that it's like green, you know, look like an oval shape, so it tastes kind of sour and sweet, and it's got a unique taste, so it's really good. Yeah. So what else? Gochita.
Gochita.
It's a papaya.
Papaya. Gochita.
Papaya. Gochita.
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 Papaya. Nogoklada.
Nogoglada.
Nogoklada.
Nogoglada.
Nogoklada.
Nogoglada. Nogoglada.
So those vegetables that Mama planted in her garden, it's good for medicine. It's a little bitter, but it's good. And what else? What else I eat? Can't think of any right now. I forgot. The bado.
The bado.
It's like a lettuce.
Like the bottle.
The bado.
The bado. Like a
The
bottle.
bado.
The bado.
No, it's not. It's not the bottom. The bado.
The bada.
Okay, can you review it?
Yes. The buddy.
The buddy?
The buddy.
The bati.
The butty.
Yeah, it's a radish.
That's one I'm gonna remember from today.
What
That's
else?
my favorite one.
What
The
else?
buddy.
What else?
You said radish?
Yeah, radish.
I wish it was something more fun than a radish. It's a fun word. Dabadi.
What else?
Dabadi.
What else?
Yabaga. Yabaga. Jabaga. Gabagu.
The bada.
Dabadu.
The bada.
Dabada.
Yeah, the bada is lettuce.
Dabada.
And bispra is what?
Gabage.
Bispra is
Baga.
baby ba.
Baby ba.
Baby ba.
Baby ba.
Men konya.
Nagonya.
You know you can't hold information. Some people can just get right like that. What else? Okra is the bubleta.
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 It's kind of slimy.
Bubleta.
It's kind of slimy, right?
Yeah, it's like
got a
when
seed.
you make it like soup.
Yeah,
It's like
over there.
It's like sticky,
No, it's not sticky. It's slimy.
like saliva.
But the baby like it. Baby saliva like it. They really do.
The kids love okra
It's
soup
healthy.
with rice.
It's good. It's vegetable soup. It's good. And what else?
You edited that out for me, or you left it in for me, but you're gonna edit it out for you. Or you keep doing that on your video.
Chuwita, it's like orange.
Chueta.
Chuwita,
Chueta.
orange.
How is Scylla doing, Fishy?
Huh?
How is Scylla doing?
Where'd she go? Come back.
She was just here. Where did she go?
Priscilla.
She went upstairs. You told her not to, so she snuck upstairs.
Alright, I think that's enough, Jeff. Alright guys, it's enough for now. We're trying to teach Jason some few words of Korean language, so
And I will remember the body.
I hope you can learn it too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Until then, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Be safe.
And go to my channel.